Hello everyone. Today, we would like to talk to you about the measurement of standard time and the reasons for measuring it. We have the opportunity to conduct analysis in many factories. Recently, we visited a factory. As we often encounter in companies, the biggest issue here was also the incorrect measurement of productivity. Why do we normally measure standard time? To improve efficiency by measuring productivity. Additionally, we use it to establish the foundation for wage systems, offer better pricing to customers, and enable better planning. Therefore, standard time must be measured accurately so that we can perform the tasks mentioned above more effectively and correctly. When we asked the company we visited, "What is your productivity rate?" they answered, "Around 85%, 90%. Our second question was, "How many units of this product are you producing?" For example, they said they were producing a product called X, and that the standard time for this product was approximately 50 minutes. Since we have worked with many factories, we know that this product does not take 50 minutes, and that its standard time is about 20 minutes. When we asked, "What is your standard time measurement method?" we realized that they were making an incorrect measurement. Here's how. In standard time, there are value-adding movements, meaning actions that the customer is truly willing to pay for. Secondly, there are non-value-adding but necessary movements. And thirdly, there are non-value-adding movements. You don't include these non-value-adding movements in the standard time, you eliminate them. If you add unnecessary movements into the standard time and show a 20-minute product as taking 50 minutes, you will also assume your efficiency to be around 85% or 90%. The sad part is that the factory believes it is operating at a high efficiency of 85% to 90%. But the reality is that the factory is suffering significant losses. For this reason, the factory's upper management has decided to close it. Based on this inaccurate efficiency data, closing the factory may seem like the right decision. But it's not. Why? Because by showing the standard time as 50 minutes instead of 20 minutes, you are inflating the productivity figure by 2.5 times. In reality, productivity is not 90%, but around 35% to 40%. The correct decision to be made is to ensure the standard time measurement is accurate, and afterward, implement improvement activities with engineering, take various social measures, and implement creative solutions to bring the factory into profitability. The data has been manipulated, and even technology has been used for this manipulation, with the standard time significantly inflated. Since the data reaching top management is incorrect, they have made the decision to close the factory based on these faulty data. And the tragic outcome, hundreds of workers will lose their jobs. This situation is really exemplary. Manipulated, inaccurate data is leading the factory's top management to make very poor decisions. Here, a 20-minute product is being presented as if it takes 50 minutes. So, while real productivity is around 35%, it is being shown as 90%. The upper management is unable to meet pricing targets with what they believe is 90% efficiency. Naturally, when they can't meet the price targets, they make the decision to close. What's really happening here? The mid-level manager is thinking, "I'm definitely successful." What level of productivity is required to be considered successful? Clearly, they've answered themselves, 85% or 90%. How many units am I producing? 2,000 units. What time will bring me to 90% productivity? And then they inflate the time. This is an incredible situation. We could say this is a form of reverse SOAP engineering. One can do it only by knowing. Unfortunately, this mindset is causing the closure of some very important factories in our country. We especially tell senior managers and company owners, your fundamental data must be accurate. Incorrect data will lead you to make very large and wrong decisions. We wish you all a good day.